I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here, and if you are experiencing overheating problem, just want to let you guys know that these phones are known for overheating issues even while charging these devices. This brand in particular, the Alcatel brand, at times when you have these phones you can experience an overheating issue. Just want to let you know how you can fix this issue. Well, if your phone is overheating and you have been using it for some months, it is because the system is getting overloaded with the background apps that are running in the background, and also especially for background apps that are using up memory in the background of your device. You will need to analyze your device. I will show you definitely how to do so. If you have any unwanted apps that you are not using, you want to go ahead and uninstall them. If you have your social media app as well, you can close these apps after using, and to do so you can press this button here and you will see Facebook showing up there. You can close the background apps. By doing this, this can allow your phone to free up memory. And also you want to check your storage as well. Ensure that your storage is not too low, because these phones as well at times they run out of internal storage. Also, the best thing to do is to ensure that the brightness level for your device, make sure your brightness is at a level that you can use it. Make sure that you're not overdoing it, and also don't keep your brightness up all the time. This can overheat your device as well. And also finally, if your device is overheating continually, what you can do, you can also perform a factory data reset, and this will erase everything on your device and your device will be brand new, like when you just bought it. So guys, my name is Lens, and I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. If you're new here on my channel, subscribe, like this video, and also share.